water-based activity. Para hindi naman po it will not be too taxing to the joints. There will be no repetitive injuries. Okay. As a team doctor, we want to maximize and function and minimize the time away from their sports, especially those who are injured. Of course, promote lifelong fitness and wellness. Parati po natin narinig na yan, fitness and wellness. I asked one consultant, wellness consultant, wellness pertains to the quality of life. Fitness is the ability to do activity without any health concerns. Or sometimes we associate wellness absence of disease. So, sometimes when I go into in PBA, there are two concerns. Sana may injure. Sabi nila, parang yung nagaan sa amin, nag-talk sa amin, para daw meron kami ginagawa, hindi lang nakaupo. I would rather sit down than do something, sabihin merong nangyari. Isa nakakainog din, no? But of course, physicians, no? What we call venue physicians, para po kami fire extinguisher, nasa gilid lang kami. Wag naman na magkaroon ng sunog, nandun kami, pwede kami gamitin. Rather than having a fire, than having no fire extinguisher. Isa po nakakalimutan yung aspect ng safety. Part of our responsibility is to provide organizers emergency action plan. Minsan po kasi in retrospect, no, sabihin, ay sana meron tayong ambulansyang naka-standby. Every summer meron batang PBA. Pagbata or young athletes are concerned, marami kang pwedeng magkaroon ng friction or concern, no, nandiyan na yung parents. And I think as physical educators, we're familiar with liabilities and sports. Kaya one of my advocacies every summer I go to schools to lecture on sports injury and submit to them proposals regarding emergency action plan. In some setups, there are school or family doctors. They can provide first aid, medical care, but if they want to have, a more fully assessed or specialized treatment, they can refer not only to us as we are practitioners, pediatricians, those who are taking care of children, orthopedic surgeons, if warranted, surgical intervention. These are other sports medicine practitioners. What's good with family doctors or school physicians, they have data, baseline data, that we are not sometimes aware. They can provide us, if we're giving medications, they can tell us this pupil or student or athlete has an allergy. Okay, physical therapists are responsible for providing therapeutic exercise. They use modalities, in the form of hydrotherapy or electrotherapy. Who among the participants that have underwent physical therapy session? Meron po itong ginagamit, we use electrical stimulation to prevent the muscle from shrinking or having atrophy. We use electrical stimulation for relieving pain. Sometimes, Araneta, may mga nakapatid silang mga gadgets, parang lapel, especially those for pain. Then they are now asked to go inside the play